Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this trending Instagram highlight edit on CapCut. So select the pictures that you have from your Instagram highlight and just screenshot them, or just like save some random pictures and add them first. So I'm just going to do that to CapCut, and you can also like adjust the ratio here to 9:16, and then you can just like zoom it in to fit the, and once you're done you can also adjust the size of the pictures if you want them to move faster to about like 1 second each. It's up to you totally, but I'm just going to do 1 second each, so it's not too short. If you have more pictures, you can make them as short as you can, but since I don't have a lot, I'm just going to do what I can. Go back and you're going to export this. And once you're done, you are going to add in like a photo of like your Instagram highlight and the video that we just exported. So like this and like the video. And on the video, you're going to select motion blur. So select the video first, go to motion blur and just adjust the motion blur to like your liking. I have like a motion blur tutorial on this channel if you'd like to check that out, but what you're going to basically do is add in motion blur. If you have like more than like the pictures that I have, you can use like more times, like maybe like the 6th one, but just adjust it to your liking. I'm just doing like a random one because I can't like figure out the best setting for it. Okay, then on this photo, I'm just going to add in a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end I'm going to zoom in to the highlight, to the Instagram highlight. You can also add in a graph if you want. You can ease in graphs, and then in between you can also add in a video transition. It's totally up to you which one you want to add, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!